Under the hood, this Ferrari also received a full race exhaust system and a Stage 2 performance package, though it's unknown how much those boost performance. That being said, even the stock 710 GP, 720 PS, 530 kilowatts, and 568 lb-ft, 770 nanometers of torque, should be more than enough to put a smile on most people's faces. So even if the gains are minimal, you're unlikely to be disappointed with the wind in your hair at 210 miles per hour, 340 kilometers per h. When dealing with modified supercars, their original designs are often so ostentatious that it's hard to make changes that really stand out. That's not the case with this Ferrari F8 Spider, which features a bold carbon fiber widebody kit in addition to numerous other upgrades. Built and offered up for sale by Creative Bespoke, the 2021 F8 Spider is described as a one-of-one build and is listed for $649,000. The original starting price of this car would have been around $274,280, but options exist, and it's also said to boast over $200,000 in upgrades. Of those upgrades, the most prominent is the wide-body kit. The comprehensive kit includes a new front bumper with a carbon front lip, a new rear bumper with a carbon diffuser, carbon front and rear fenders, and carbon side skirts. With all the creases and vents combined with its aggressively wide stance, we'd say it almost looks like a wingless GT3 car, save for the convertible top, of course. Other visual upgrades include MV forged aero plus wheels, 22 in the rear and 21 at the front, as well as lowering springs to get the car's stance just right.